You are writing. You are writing a lot. Oh dear. Oh, sorry. Are you recording?
Yes, and now I have to record again.
Anna meets her new coworkers, but they are busy. Can she stop bothering them? 3 steps. Watch the real conversation, learn the useful new words, then a listening test. Fill in the blanks. Let's start.
Come in. Well, Anna, welcome.
Thank you.
I am your boss, Katie Weaver, but please call me Katie.
Thank you, Ms. Weaver.
Just Katie.
Sure thing, Ms. Weaver.
Okay then, are you excited?
Yes, I am excited.
So sorry, but I am busy. Please meet your coworkers, but remember, they are busy working.
Sure. Thanks, Ms. Weaver. Hi there. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. I'm Anne.
Nice to meet you. What are you doing?
I'm writing.
You are writing. You are writing a lot. Oh dear.
No,
I'm sorry.
that's okay.
I'm
that's
sorry.
okay. Really. Please stop. Please.
Sorry.
Are waiting to hear news about the next president.
Jonathan, hi. Remember me? I live in your building.
Hi, Anna.
What are you doing?
I am doing my show.
Oh, sorry. Are you recording?
Yes, and now I have to record again.
Sorry. Have a good show.
Thank you.
Sorry.
The word of the day is social. Social
hi.
is an adjective.
I'm Anna.
Hi, I'm Amelia.
Nice to meet you. What are you doing?
I'm reading.
Are you reading the news? Hi.
No, I'm reading for my show. Can I read again?
Sorry. This day is not going well.
Anna, hi. What are you doing?
I am bothering people, Ms. Weaver.
Let's go to my office and talk.
I like to talk with you, Ms. Weaver.
It's Katie.
Right. Thanks, Ms. Weaver.
Next, let's learn some useful words from the conversation. I'll use simple examples to help you understand. Busy. Be busy doing something means you are doing something, so you are not free now. For example, Lena is busy doing her homework.
But remember, they are busy working.
What are you doing? We ask this question when we want to know what someone is doing now. For example, what are you doing? I'm making dinner.
What are you doing?
I'm writing.
Record. Record a sound or video means make and save a sound or video so you can play it later. For example, I am recording a birthday video for my mom.
Oh, sorry. Are you recording?
Bother. Bother someone means make it hard for someone to work, rest, or sleep. For example, please do not bother Lena. She is sleeping.
Bothering people, Ms. Weaver.
Last step, a listening test. Some words are missing on the screen. Listen carefully and fill in the blanks. Say the missing words out loud. Ready? Let's go.
But remember, they are busy working. But remember, they are busy working.
Nice to meet you. What are you doing? Nice to meet you. What are you doing? Oh, sorry. Are you recording? Oh, sorry. Are you recording? Bothering people, Ms. Weaver? Bothering people, Ms. Weaver?
You made it! Great work today. Now, one small assignment. Make a sentence with each of these phrases. Say your sentences out loud, or write them in the comments. See you in the next lesson.